Do you wonder how to make a perfect French nail with Stamper? If you use it just like this, you will get the gel polish on the inside off your gel tips or on your fingers. Let's make it. To make sure your nails don't slip due to the smooth surface during your use it, we recommend that you file the surface of the Stamper before using. Then wipe off the dust with a cotton pad. Now, apply some gel polish on it. This step requires attention. Please do not poke your finger down directly. The correct way to use it is to place your fingertips on the edge of the gel polish area, then lightly push and press the French Stamper. You can easily get a perfect and clean French in this way. If you want a French nail design like a crescent, please place your finger at 45 degrees. Then press and push the Stamper in the same way as before. A perfect crescent French design is completed. You can also try other French styles, depending on the degree you place your finger and how hard you press. Come and create your own French nail design.